You can take it off. Do you know who sent you that? Who sent you your bracelets? Those are from Uncle Casey and Aunt Jenna.
Uncle Casey and Jenna.
Yeah, so they're the ones that you should thank.
Yeah. The wings got pink and blue.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty. It's a got sparkles.
Yeah.
Look, it got pink and pink. And blue and blue. They are the different colors.
Yeah. They're very special, aren't they?
What's that coin? What's that coin go?
I don't know.
What's that coin? Look, I got. What's it? Look, we got blue
JP.
and pink.
Ah.
Pink, and all and wings, and blue, and pink. It's so pretty. And the ballerina, she's so cute.
I think so too.
She got the dress. She like the princess. Here, I take it off.
Mm-hmm.
You see, other boys. What's the coin go, Mom?
I don't know. Where did you put it?
On oval.
On the oval?
Yeah.
It might be.
You did.
Why did you put it on the oval?
It's stuck.
What do you do when you put it on the oval, Louise? You feed the meter?
Yeah. I noticed. Yeah, I see. Oh, put them back, Mom.
Sure.
Here, I get the pink one. Here, I get the pink one. Thanks, Mom.
I should say thank you, Uncle Casey and Aunt Jenna. Thanks, Uncle Casey and Aunt Jenna.
Thanks. No, I can't say it.
Why not? Why can't you say it? You say Uncle Casey and Aunt Jenna.
Thank you. Okay, Casey and Jenna.
Yeah. Oops. I guess they're a little bit big for that box. Maybe put them... Can you put them in this part?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Can I please put them here?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
This is not so working.
How about if we put the rings in the ring part? Really good camera work.
On it. You got leather on your fingers.
We'll have to work on it.
You
Right?
got letters on your fingers.
I've got letters on my fingers. Yellow? That's it. I painted my fingernails. It's gold.
It's gold.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I see it. Look, I got Pinky. Is it good?
No?
Is it good? Take them out? Or take
Sure.
them